What's going on? Big Hoss 920 here. Doing something on the S10 today. You know, it's snowing out and everything. But, you know, come on, focus. In the lens here. Sorry, guys. There we go. There we go. Alright. It is snowing outside. But I got the nice complimentary use of a heated garage. Heater's over there. Turned it off because it was 63 in here and now it's 53 and it's comfortable. It's bearable, but I'm all done with the truck anyways. Went and got it washed in the rain. Brought it over here, dried it off, wiped it down, dried it, all that. Came over and polished it up, waxed it. I figured I'd get the S10, at least a coat of wax on this thing for winter. Haven't really got to this truck at all this year much. Been doing a lot of other wax jobs on other vehicles. So, figured I'd get mine done. It's not the greatest looking truck. I do take it to car shows in the summertime, and it is daily driven all year round basically. Well, it is, but I take care of it as much as possible as I can. But got it all polished up. Side's looking really good now. Got the taillights all buffed out, so they're looking like new. They're the original ones. They've got all kinds of cracks in them and splits and all that, but I got them cleaned up, looking like new again. Did the whole side of this truck on both sides. Did the back window. That tint job is cheap, but it's a Walmart tint job. So, yeah. If it works, it keeps the sun out and it keeps it nice and cool in there. So that's all I care about. Got the hood, or the roof, all buffed up, cleaned up. There's a lot of fade spots and dents and scratches up there. There's a dent up here somewhere. You can see it. Right there. From a piece of hail that came down last year or the year before. Got my third brake light all buffed out, looking like new. Got the beauty rings all cleaned up with some spray wax, and the wheels wiped down with some spray wax. So they're looking good with the truck. I got the windshield all waxed down on the outside, the inside cleaned up. Windows cleaned up on the inside and outside on both sides. And then we got this. There we go, pop back in. All this, and that. I hit a deer a couple nights ago, so I got to replace a grill. So the chrome front right here is going to be going, and I'm going to be getting a grill from a Chevy Extreme or whatever that's on eBay for, I can't remember how much it is, but it's going to have black instead of chrome. Then I got to remove my emblem and put that on there, which I might just paint it black when I remove it, and that's going to go on the other grill. But then I'm going to get all new grill clips too, and then this grill is going to be all secured once and for all, because there were clips and everything that were missing on this thing when I bought the truck. So the grill was technically not secured, but it was. There's like one up here that's missing, one over here that's missing. The side one's good, this one's missing, this one's missing, the middle one's good, the other side's good, this side's good, this side's missing, but you know, it's whatever. I'm gonna get all new clips, new grill. Luckily it was just the grill that the deer messed up and not my lights. And side note from that, the truck looks pretty darn good. I think the truck looks pretty darn good for what it is. I mean, it's got some aerodynamics down there and on the back there. I mean, it's right there and right there. And then there's one on the fender on the driver's side. But that's in the one cab corner on the other side of the driver's side. But that's about it. That's on the truck. And it's a winter truck all its life. It's a Wisconsin truck, winter truck all its life. And that's not bad at all for all the rust. So I've been keeping this thing clean, washed, polished, waxed. Whatever you can do to keep this thing from rusting anymore. Just preserve it. And then I figured, well, you know what? I got the truck all done. The windows are all washed and waxed. These are just washed and cleaned up. The windshield's cleaned up, but this outside is waxed because I refuse to get wipers. So, yeah, long story. I figured, you know what? Truck's all done. It's cleaned up. Oh, there's my homemade tailgate. It goes right there. But anyways, sidetracked. Figure while I'm here, I might as well get the inside done. So I came in here, gave it a quick wipe down, nothing fancy, just dust it off, wipe it down, get it cleaned up, vacuum it up. Yeah, just a quick vacuum, nothing fancy. There's a few dirt spots there that I missed, but you know what? It's winter time. I just wanted to get it cleaned up. So we're just gonna shut the door and pretend we didn't see that. What else? Yeah, that's pretty much it. That's what I've been doing this morning. Washing the truck and bringing it into this lovely garage facility that I got to use. Like I said, I turned on the heater there for a little bit till it got to about 60. It was like 40 in here, or 30 some, a little upper 30s, upper 40s, but I got it to about 60 in here, 62. Yeah, about 62. And I just shut the thing down, you know. I'm like, you know what? I'm almost done with the truck. And all I have to do is the windshield on the inside and wipe down the both side of the windows on the outside. I'm going to shut you down. Because right now, it's 53 in here and it feels comfortable. So, side note, yeah. My beauty rings turned out good. I like these. These are stock wheels for the Chevy S10s. That's the design I was going for. Just an old school look. Beauty rings, chrome lugs. The dice valve cap that just barely fits on there. White wheel tires, stock size tires. Open this side up. Yeah, both hinge pins on the doors are shot, but you know what? It's 20 years old or more. Oh, yeah, there's more dirt that I just missed right there. We're just going to shut the door and pretend we didn't see that because, you know what? Yeah, screw it. It's winter time. I cleaned it up. The main part that I wanted to get done was the outside. Getting a coat of wax on this thing. I usually get at least a heavy coat of wax on this thing before winter. Well, like I said, I was a little busy on other details and never got to mine. So now I finally got to mine. I put a heavy coat of wax on and she's slick. The metallic on here pops now. Look at that. Yeah. But this is what I've been using on it. Is right here. Stuff works pretty good. And then a Harbor Freight dual action polisher. So yeah. Subscribe, like, share, favorite. Have a good day.